How you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video. So, in honor of Mother's Day, I actually wanted to film a makeup tutorial with my mama.
Hi everyone.
Because I haven't actually ever done that, and I feel like in honor for all the moms out there, this could be like a little mom tutorial, just a little fun. And my mom is actually one of those people that really genuinely never does wear makeup. Like, you don't wear makeup ever.
I don't even know how to put it on.
Yeah, she doesn't even have makeup. The only thing she has is like blush, to be honest, and like a little lipstick. Right?
And maybe mascara every once in a while.
Yeah, every once in a while. So this is like gonna be full caked glam for her. She's gonna get a full beat today. So everybody, I'm really excited to do this. I'm a little bit nervous because like I don't really do other people's makeup, so I hope that it comes out pretty good. Okay, I'm a little anxious, but we're just gonna have fun with it all. And also, since my mom doesn't really have any makeup, we are gonna be using my own makeup. So if some of the things don't match her, like for example, like my foundation shade, it might be a little bit dark for her, but we'll make it work. I'll blend it down her neck. I'll use a lot of concealer to like blend everything in. So just be mindful of that I am traveling in New York and that I don't have like my full beauty room, my full beauty setup here. So yeah, we may not have a correct color match, but we will get it as close as possible.
Am I ready?
Are you ready?
I don't know.
So first, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to turn into being 21.
Okay, so my mom, actually, your eyebrows are so light. Like, you can't even see them, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, so I'm using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in shade 2. And we are just going to start to use this. My mom has very, very, very light hairs, so I really don't want to make it, like, too dark because it's going to be kind of shocking if I were to do that. So I'm just going to kind of fill in very, like, sparsely and just kind of accentuate the hairs that she does have. If you are dealing with someone that does not have a lot of eyebrow hairs, I think less is more, to be completely honest, because you don't want to add a huge harsh line and then they're like, oh, I don't like this, So then I'm going to go in with some brow gel. This is the 3D Brow Tones, also from Benefit. This is actually going to lift some of the actual hair color that she has. Like, it's just going to make some of those hairs more prominent and stand out more. And that way we get more, like, texture with the brows. That way they don't look too flat and, like, one-dimensional.
This will be the first time I have eyebrows.
I know. All right, both brows are did, and you know, it's very light, you guys, but my mom genuinely, like, is not used to having, like, eyebrows on, so I don't want to, like, make her eyebrows black. So we're going to move on to eyeshadow, so just close your eyes. And I'm going to add some concealer just to, like, put down as a base. And then I'm taking my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, so to set everything, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder.
And what brush are you using?
My Morphe E48. Just close your eyes and I'm just going to set everything. So that way the shadow goes on nice and smooth. Does it feel heavy yet at all? No?
Not at all. Tickles.
Okay, so since my mom doesn't wear a lot of makeup, I'm going to do a very, very soft, subtle eye. Because again, I don't want to do anything too dramatic. I don't want to scare her, okay? We're not doing smoky eye here. But I'm going to be using the Makeup Shayla eyeshadow palette. So let's go in. First, I'm going to be taking the shade Culture right here. And I'm going to be applying that in her crease. Yeah, so just look down. We'll just blend. This is a really soft color, so it'll be really easy to work with. Switching to a Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to be going in with the shade Revenge right here. And then just kind of working that on the outer crease of the eye. So I'm just kind of blending it in, fluffing it in the crease in the outer V. And then for her actual eyelid, I'm going to go in with Spill the Tea right here, which is like a very soft, I would say, champagne-y gold color. And I'm going in with my Morphe M224. And I'm just going to pack this on the whole eye here. And then just doing the same thing over here, packing that on the whole eye. Now, like for me, I normally would sit here and have like about 1,000 transition shades, but we're just doing very simple, not anything too dramatic. But I am going to use lashes. How you feel, Ma?
I feel good. You're putting me to sleep.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's relaxing.
So for eyeliner, I'm taking the Tarte Clay Paint Liner. This liner is really good, especially when you're working on clients. In my opinion, like the very few people that I have done in my life, I don't like to use liquid liners because I feel like those can really go downhill really fast. So you want to be really careful. This is a lot easier to use. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Open or close?
Close.
Okay.
So I'm just going like very, very close to her waterline. I know that black is a harsh color, but I don't want to use like a brown or anything like that because we are using a lash with a band. So you'll be able to really see the band. So you want to make sure that like you kind of cover that up.
Again, it tickles.
It tickles?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's better than hurting, Ma.
That is true. Do I get to get one of those wings too?
Do you want a wing?
I don't know. I've never had one.
No, I'm not giving you a wing.
Aw, shucks.
Wings make me nervous when doing on other people.
That's all right. I brought one of those stamps once.
You brought a wing stamp?
Yeah.
Did it work?
It was, yeah.
It was a disaster.
You got it.
Okay, now open, look down, and that way. And that way. Sorry, other way. Down. Ew. Don't do that! Ew.
You made me make my eyeball go that way.
Ew, that was twitchy. Okay,
Right.
Down and that way. Don't
Open or
close.
close? Open.
Don't close. Open. So just look down. And no, not like turn your head. Just look down and that way. Yeah.
It's like someone's coming at you like that.
I know. All right, so I'm adding some of the Milk Mascara, the Kush Mascara, and I'm just going to pop this on to prep for falsies. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Mom, are you ready for the falsies?
It'd be the first time.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You never have false lashes on?
No, just for maybe Halloween.
Halloween. So I cut this lash, you guys, very, very, I don't even know if you'll be able to see, but I cut it like almost in half because my mom has small eyes. She's a little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where's your right eye? Let it dry a little bit.
Don't you know? Left, right.
Yeah, kind of. But when I look at other people, it's hard for me to tell. I know where my right is. Okay, so just look down. Don't close your eyes, but look down. Okay, if you have to blink, you can. No? You don't have to blink?
Mm-mm.
Does that hurt?
Mm-mm. Not yet.
Okay, open. Ooh, bitch! That looks so good, Mom!
So when someone says bat your eyelashes, I can do.
Yeah, you can bat them.
When I put my glasses on, will they touch the glasses?
Yes, they will. So you can't wear glasses tonight.
Who's going to read me the menu?
I'll just tell you what's on the menu, Mom.
Okay. Only what's on the menu.
Yeah.
Can I go and look at myself?
No, you gotta wait till the end. What are you doing over
Having
here?
a sneak peek.
No
No
sneak peeks.
All right. No sneak peeks.
Those eyelashes look good on you. They're not too intense.
Okay.
Do they feel comfortable?
They're starting to feel comfortable.
They
Before
feel
I
a
felt
little
like
heavy?
something was on my eyelashes and wanted to go like that.
Yeah. Well, I can always lift too if it's bothering you. Does
That's
that feel
100% better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we have the lashes on, Ma, you look so dainty. We're going to use the Smashbox primer, and I'm just going to put this all over your face. This is just to help keep the makeup, like, on your face. Do you know what I mean?
Aunt
like,
Lily loves it. She
she
swears
likes the
by it.
primer?
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting a massage from Yoli.
From Yoli. But you're so bougie over here with your Yoli facials, Ma.
Mm-hmm. It was the best.
So my mom has freckly skin, so we're going to use full coverage on her. Not to cover up her freckles, but just to, like, give her a different vibe. Because I think her freckles are really beautiful, and I think freckles in general are really beautiful, but, like, you know, we're just going to switch it up. And I'm using the Dior Full Coverage Undercover Foundation. This is the Forever Undercover. This is in shade 25. I'm telling you right now, guys, it's definitely going to be a little bit too dark for my mom. But I'm thinking what we're going to do is kind of fix it with concealer.
You mean I'm not just going to go blush?
No blush. Get
Okay.
out of here with that. So I'm going to just use my finger to put it on. This is my mom. I mean, if it's not your mom, I don't recommend doing this. I feel like it's a little bit like your client or whoever's makeup you're doing might think it's a little bit unsanitary. I mean, I don't know. I'm just assuming here. I could be completely wrong, but since it's my mom, I don't really care. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking my beauty blender, picking up any like additional foundation I have on my hand because I don't want to waste it. And I'm just going to start blending it into the skin. And I'm going to be dragging it down her neck so that it matches. Oh, this isn't that bad of a shade match. Okay, just look up so I could get under your eyes. Perfecto, mama.
Oh, I'm a good model, huh?
Yes, you're a great model. Oh, man, how do I get in that little crevice there?
There?
There we go. Sorry. Gotta get it on that side too. God, my arm is hurting from this. So for the most part, this is like medium to full coverage, you guys. You could still see some of her freckles and stuff, which is like totally fine. But I don't want to give like a misleading like representation of the foundation. For me, I mean, I'm very, 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 very blessed to have lucky and clear skin. Like, it wasn't like that for a very long time. For example, this is a good indication just to show you the coverage because you can still see that dark spot. But granted, it was a pretty dark spot. Like,
yeah, it's been there for a long time.
All right, so now we're going to apply some concealer underneath her eyes. And we're just going to do mainly in this area. This is the Ofra Cosmetics concealer in the shade Pine Nut. I really like this concealer a lot. It's very lightweight. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, right now your face probably feels really heavy.
For the first time, yeah.
Because you're not used to it.
Is it going to conceal everything?
Yeah, it'll conceal.
And the bags?
For the most part. With concealer, you guys, you don't want to bring it directly under the waterline because it'll be a lot harder to blend. I like to blend up, not like, I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot more difficult. And then I'm going to conceal your little dark spot. Maybe we can, not that I'm trying to get rid of it, I just am like playing around, you know?
That's okay.
All right, so then I'm going to be taking a darker shade. This is the shade Almond, and I'm just going to contour a little bit. Like, this is kind of dark, so I'm not going to put too much down. Just a little contouring situation. And then we're just going to blend with our beauty blender. And I'm just going to... This is actually a really pretty concealer shade on you. I got to get in this corner here.
Okay.
So look up.
Put that on order.
You want it?
Mm-hmm.
You want the concealer? A question. Does it feel heavy now that it's
Not
blended
at all.
out?
Not
No?
at all, honestly.
How does it feel to have all this makeup on? Can you tell? Like,
I can feel that there's something there, but it's not heavy. Like when I look at people, sometimes their makeup looks so caked. I'm like, I'm not doing that.
Mom's being a little shady when she looks at people. It looks caked.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mom. Who are you looking at?
Just people in stores.
Oh, okay, in the grocery store?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna square up and Stop and Shop?
You got it.
Okay, so for the most part, I was able to cover up that dark spot with adding that extra concealer there. And then I'm just gonna blend out your contour. Okay, so now we're gonna set her under eyes, and this is for women with more mature skin. I don't mean that in a nasty way or anything negative. You're still my young mommy.
Okay, sounds good.
But, like, you don't want to use a lot of powder because it will accentuate any imperfections or any, like, fine lines you have in the skin. So just look up, and I'm going to slightly blend out any creasing that may have formed. And I'm just going to set very lightly underneath the eye area and around the cheek. And that's all I'm going to set. And this is like the lightest I've ever set anyone's makeup. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is my E3. And I'm just going to blend it in right away because we don't want to create any more like fine lines. You know what I mean? We want it to sit nicely.
No,
Try
I
not
have
to
enough
wrinkle
of my
your
own.
Try not to wrinkle your forehead. You don't have a lot, Mom. You're still beautiful.
Thank you. You gotta say it. I'm your mommy.
No. I could be like, who's this old hag? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I would never. And I'm just going to go in and lightly dust around the cheek area. Pretty much you want to dust anywhere where you're going to put more powder. So like I'm going to contour and bronze her. So we want to have it in that whole area. I would say like a little triangle in this whole region here. And we can also get some of your smile lines. Do you feel okay?
I feel fine. It honestly feels like someone's just giving you like a massage on your face with little feathers and brushes. And
little feathers. Okay, so for your lower lash line.
I know, don't look in the mirror.
No, do not look in the mirror.
Okay.
For the lower lash line, my mom has these beautiful blue eyes, and I feel like they're popping right now because she has the black liner on and more of the like champagne color. So we're gonna kind of follow that pattern. I'm going in with my Morphe E36, and I'm gonna be taking that shade Revenge right here from the Shayla palette. So look up. This may tickle a little bit, so just let me know if you need a break. You need a break? I see your eyes watering. You okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. So then I'm going to do the same thing.
I don't want it to drip.
No, you're fine. Can't do dripping. Drip, drip. Just let me know if you need a break. Do you need a break? Okay.
Can you feel this?
Yes. And then we're going to add some mascara, but we got to be very careful here because I don't want you getting it on your lashes. So be very still. I mean, on your foundation.
Do I even have any?
They're very light little baby hairs. This eye is watering. Tell it nah. Okay, that's kind of all the mascara I can add on the bottoms. All right, so I'm going to add some black in her waterline. I'm using the Tartist Double Take.
Uh-oh, here comes the water.
So for contour, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the Tarte Sculpt from the Tartist Pro Glow Kit. And we're just going to be chiseling the cheeks here. So now I'm taking the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. This is a really good one to kind of just warm everything up, add a little bit of dimension to the face.
Almost like going for outside and getting a tan.
Yeah. So for Mother's Day, you guys, I am in New York and we're going to go to the Yankee game tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't get rained out. But I'm taking them to the special Legends seating, which is like a big deal. If you're a Yankee fan, you know that this is like a big deal to go to that special. It's like kind of like a once in a lifetime thing, and I love being able to treat my parents every now and then.
Thank you.
Even though you yell at me for spending money.
All the time?
I just want to give back because you gave back to me. You put me through college, and I don't even use my degree.
And that's what parents are for.
Well, not every parent can do that, so. So first I'm going to put a little bit of cream highlighter. This is the Milk Makeup cream highlighter, and we're just going to accentuate the places where we want to highlight. So down her nose, on the sides of her cheeks here, on the cheekbones. I like to honestly, genuinely highlight everywhere. And then we're going to be going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic. This is a really good highlighter. I really love this highlighter so much.
Will I shimmy?
Yeah, you're gonna shimmer all the way to Maz. You know the drill, Ma. This just really like accentuates the face. Like it adds, I hate to keep saying depth, but it does. Like, you know, it makes your face not look so two-dimensional or like one-dimensional with like all the makeup, you know? It adds a lot of highlight.
Is that a special brush?
This is a fan brush, so any type of brush you can use for it, but I like to use the fan brushes. And then for blush, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this nude blush from Jouer. And we're just
now this is all I usually do.
You just add the blush. Yep. I know you like heavy blush, so I'm doing that for you.
You don't have to go too heavy. It's
I know. I'm not gonna make you look like a clown, but you know, I know you like your blush. And then for lips here, I'm gonna use this mauve color, which is from Tarte. It's called Delish. This is the lip paints. So just open up. What?
It tickles.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oof, you guys, I'm like holding my breath and getting dizzy here. Ooh, okay, not too bad. I usually suck at doing other people's lipsticks. I was like a little bit nervous right there. Now I'm gonna take some of my Centering Citrus here from Smashbox, and I'm just gonna spritz her up, kind of set everything in place.
It smells amazing.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
And I didn't just say it because she's my daughter. It smells good.
Okay, are you ready to see yourself?
I can touch it?
Yeah? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Who is that?
Can you see? You
Yeah.
hold it.
Who is this?
It's
Oh
ya.
my God.
Do you like?
I like. Never had these before.
Eyebrows, I know.
Check it out. Who am I? Who am I? Amazing. Thank you. Now where are we going?
Going out to eat.
We're going out to eat. This is my baby girl.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Mother's Day video. I haven't done anything like this on my channel before, so give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has an amazing Mother's Day out there, and I will see y'all next time.
Thank
Bye.
you.